Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today I'm going to show us how to use handmade patches to beautify our dresses. I'm simply going to make these patches myself and you will learn from that. Here are the materials needed for doing that. I have a crepe material, needle and thread, a tape and a glue. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do that. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Here is the measurement. I'm going to take 1 3/4 of an inch from the beginning. Then I will rule it from beginning to end. Thereafter, I'm going to take 1 inch. I'm going to mark the beginning of 1 inch at the end of 1 inch. Just 1 inch. I mark like this. Then I'll look for the middle of that 1 inch, which is going to give me 0.5 or half. Then I'll simply put a mark there at the middle like this. Then I'll rule it up. Thereafter, I will simply trace the other 2 marks at both sides of this middle line in a curved shape to meet up at the beginning, to meet up the beginning of this middle line. Thereafter, I'll cut it out. You can as well increase the measurement. It can be bigger, it can be smaller, depending on what you wish to design. So I'll cut it out and cut as much as I will need for the dress I'm going to make.
This is Ahviworld.
I'm simply going to add the glue at this down part of the patch I cut out like this. Thereafter, I'll press it together like this. That place I added the glue, I will just press like this.
This is Ahviworld.
I'll simply add my glue at both sides of the patch like this. When it's a little dry, I will join them together. Can you see I'm taking one at a time, joining to the other one? Then take another one, add it again till I have a cluster of 6. This is one method you could use. There is another method whereby I'm going to join 2 together. I'm going to group them in 2s, 2, 2. I'm still going to show you that.
This is Ahviworld.
Here is the other method whereby you group them in 2s. 2, 2 like this. Thereafter, you join everything together to have your cluster of 6. We're still going to have the same outcome.
This is Ahviworld.
Here is it. It's almost ready. I'm simply going to add this shiny patch on top of it like this to add more beauty to it. I want it to reflect. So I'll add my glue, then just place it on top like this. Thereafter, I'll simply attach it with my needle and thread to the dress or whatever you feel like beautifying. Yep, I'm done with it. Can you see that? At the comfort of your home, you're able to beautify your dress like this. Wow, this is fantastic. This is lovely. Please, if you have learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please and please, your subscription matters a lot to us. And stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.